行者如溪 AYS 英文科普小视频。
Hello， 小朋友们好，欢迎来到本期文化小课堂。我们今天要讲的是为什么人们会打喷嚏 Why do people sneeze？ 我们今天会从4个方面来介绍为什么人们会打喷嚏。我们首先要知道的是为什么打喷嚏对我们的健康很重要。First of all, we have to understand that why is sneezing important for our health? 第二个部分是当我们打喷嚏时会发生什么。Second, what happens when we sneeze? 第三个部分是为什么有些人打喷嚏的声音不一样。Why do some people sneeze differently? 最后一个是打喷嚏的常见原因或者诱因是什么。The last one is common causes or triggers of sneezing. 那我们先来讲第一个吧。我们的第一个问题是为什么打喷嚏对我们的健康很重要。Why is sneezing important for our health? 我们首先要知道的是，打喷嚏是一种保护性反射，是对鼻子内壁受到刺激的反应。Sneezing is a protective reflex that develops in response to irritation of the lining of the nose. 这使得不同的颗粒被有力地从鼻子中排出，从而保护鼻子、气道和身体免受随后的伤害。This allows for different particles to be forcefully expelled from the nose, thus protecting the nose, the airway, and the body from subsequent harm. 实际上，它有助于保护你免受过敏源、病毒、刺激物和其他入侵者的侵害。这些入侵者最初是通过鼻子进入身体的。Realistically, it helps protect you from allergens, viruses, irritants, and other invaders that gain access to the body initially via the nose. 第二个部分，我们要讨论的是，当我们打喷嚏时会发生什么。What happens when we sneeze? 打喷嚏反射有2个阶段，首先是感觉或鼻期，其次是传出或呼吸期。There are 2 phases to the sneeze reflex. First is the sensory or nasal phase, followed by the afferent or respiratory phase. 打喷嚏本身是呼吸阶段，但它是由感觉阶段发起的。The sneeze itself is the respiratory phase, but it is initiated by the sensory phase. 首先，感官或鼻腔阶段被触发，在鼻子的黏膜里可以感觉到一个颗粒。First, the sensory or nasal phase is triggered. A particle is sensed in the mucous membrane, lining of the nose. 这种触发导致鼻子内壁释放化学物质，向下游激活三叉神经，一种为面部提供感觉的神经。This trigger causes the lining of the nose to release chemicals that provide downstream activation of the trigeminal nerve, a nerve that provides sensation to the face. 然后三叉神经激活脑干中一个叫做延髓的区域。The trigeminal nerve then activates an area of the brainstem, called the medulla oblongata. 游戏环节到。提问：打喷嚏反射到2个阶段分别是什么？ What are the 2 stages of the sneeze reflex? 打喷嚏本身是什么阶段？ What is the stage of the sneeze itself? 答案揭晓。首先是感觉或鼻期，其次是传出或呼吸期。First is the sensory or nasal phase, followed by the afferent or respiratory phase. 打喷嚏本身是呼吸阶段，但它是由感觉阶段发起的。The sneeze itself is the respiratory phase, but it is initiated by the sensory phase. 为什么有些人打喷嚏的声音不一样呢？ Why do some people sneeze differently? 这有生理和社会原因。There are physiological and social reasons for this. 就像每个人的声音听起来不一样，打喷嚏的声音也可能不同。Just as everyone's voice sounds different, the sneeze can be different as well. 这可能是由于肺活量、打喷嚏前吸入的空气量，以及喉咙、鼻子和嘴巴的结构差异。这些差异有助于形成声音。This can be due to lung capacity, how much air you breathe in prior to sneeze, as well as structural differences within the throat, nose, and mouth that help shape the sound. 打喷嚏的常见原因或者诱因是什么呢？ Common causes or triggers of sneezing. 第一个是过敏源 allergens. 过敏源是由免疫系统识别的物质，并在体内产生过敏途径的激活。Allergens are substances that are identified by the immune system and create activation of an allergic pathway in the body. 第二个是环境刺激物 environmental irritants. 某些化学物质如烟雾、污染物、香水、冷空气和香料会引起打喷嚏。Certain chemicals or substances such as smoke, pollutants, perfume, cold air, and species can induce sneezing. 它们会对鼻黏膜产生物理刺激，但不会引起过敏反应。They cause physical irritation to the lining of the nose without activating an allergic reaction. 第三个是感染 infections. 由于免疫系统的激活和炎症，病毒和细菌感染会引起打喷嚏。Viruses and bacterial infections can induce sneezing due to activation of the immune system and inflammation. 最后一个是明亮的光线 bright lights. 这有可能发生在有关反射的人身上，这是一种遗传特征。在这种综合症中，光线本身会刺激打喷嚏反应。This can happen in people with a photic light reflex, which is a genetic trait. In this syndrome, the light itself is stimulating disease reflex. 谢谢你的观看，祝每个小朋友都健健康康、开开心心的。Thank you very much for watching.